Good morning, my Colorado friends. Randy Flood here. Today is Friday, July the 2nd, and I wish everybody a long, happy, and safe 4th of July weekend. Just enjoy it, but also be very careful. Now, in the rates go up category, yesterday I mentioned that, I believe that we were overbought, and I still believe that. The unemployment numbers did come out today, really looked a lot better than before, but I'll address the true meaning in a second. And I believe a lot of investors are going to be taking profit later today, which is going to cause the bond market to go down and also rates to go up. Now the rates go down category. The real number for unemployed is a lot different than what the actual headline number is. Uh, they were forecasting 9.8% unemployment. Last month it was 9.7. This month is actually 9.5. So on the outside, it really looks great. However, when you consider all the people that are going off unemployment benefits, people have given up. There's like over 200,000 people a month whose benefits expire. And when you also take a look at all the people that have just finally given up looking for a job, those people are not counted. And when you consider that, the real unemployment number is around 16, 17%, and that is significant. Now, factory orders were down 1.4%. That goes down to the lowest level since of April of '09. As I mentioned before, hourly wages are down. So a lot of people are unemployed. We're not making anything. People are not buying anything, and wages are going down. All is very negative for the economy, but great for rates. Here's what's happening in the market today. Let me kind of move it over right now. You'll be able to see that it's down 15 basis points. And let me shift over again. And you can see, once again, anytime when you see red, that is bad. And I've been talking before about, having a correction and also the different levels of support. Now, the biggest level of support we have to really be careful of is this 101. If we fall and break below this 101 point, I believe that we will go below the 10-day moving average. And when we do that, we're going to come down all the way down here to about 100.40, and which is going to cause rates to go up. But I see a correction happening, and right now the market is having a hard time deciding exactly how to interpret the unemployment figures. Long-term look, once again, you can see, and I've been talking before about we need to come down and be touching the 10-day moving average, and we may break the support, and if so, expect a bigger sell-off. You can see this is where the numbers were actually released this morning, and you can see how everybody reacted, which was negative, which means rates are actually for pricing was going worse. But you can see that people are interpreting it differently, and rates are or the bond prices are improving. Once again, mixed bag. People are confused, even the lenders. In summary, unemployment is confusing everybody, especially the traders. However, it's very clear to me the economy is really in bad shape. Factory orders, huge drop, hourly wages down. The economy, I believe, is getting ready for the double dip. Now, there's going to be a lot of profit taking this afternoon. That's my prediction. And I mentioned the 101 level is going to be tough to hold. And if we do break below that, we're going to go down to 100.40 on the 4% coupon. Overall, I'm still very bullish on the bond market, which means rates are still going to be great. So just hang in there. It's going to be an interesting day. It may not be as bad today since so many people are on vacation. Now, the thought of the day: do you have a written plan for July? If not, I recommend that you prepare one, because a written plan will provide magical results. It's something about it. If you write it down, it's more likely to happen, and you'll be able to focus on it. There's a saying that if it's not written, it's just a pipe dream. So get it in writing, because once again, if you don't have a written plan, you're not going to, get what you want. And, I know you deserve and want a lot more than that. And as always, wanting only the best for you, have a safe and enjoyable long weekend.